Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get these nice beachy waves using this hair waver by Revlon. So if you guys would like to see how I get these waves, just keep on watching. So before we get into that, we do need to apply some heat protectant. I'm using the argan oil and Morocco heat protectant. I'm just gonna get a little all over my hair. I'm gonna get my comb and I'm just gonna comb out my hair. I'm going to part my hair in half. I'm going to grab about this much hair. I'm going to place that in between the barrels here. And I do grab a good amount of hair since the barrel is really long. So what I do is I just separate the hair a little bit and then I close the barrel and I hold for about 10 to 15 seconds, just depending how wavy I want my hair, also depending on how much time I have. So I'm just gonna hold it and wait a few seconds. This is what the wave looks like. It gives you a nice beachy wave going there. Once I've done that, I just move down to the next section and I also spread the hair out some, and then I hold and I will move to the next section. This. Alright, so this is, hope you guys can see, this is the wave. I'm going to grab another piece of hair about this much. I'm gonna do the same thing, so I'm just gonna grab it. I'm gonna spread my the hair out through the barrel and just hold it. So moving on to this side, I'm just going to part the hair in half. Starting with the first half, I'm going to spread the hair out and just hold it. You can hold it for as long as you like, just depending on the waves that you're going for. Now I will say that it is pretty time consuming doing these waves, so this isn't something that I would do. This isn't something that I will use every day. I personally don't use this product too often just because I don't have time. It does take a little bit longer to get the waves. this is what the finished look looks like. Nice and wavy. So the last thing I'm gonna do is apply some hairspray, just so the waves last a little longer. Okay, so that is the completed look. Nice beachy waves. It's super simple. Like I said, it is a bit more time consuming, but they are still super cute when you want to do something different. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.